In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the privacy and security of your Telegram desktop application. Ensuring the privacy and security of your communications is more important now than ever before. With a few easy adjustments, you can increase your confidence in using Telegram. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Telegram desktop application. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll find the familiar three-line icon commonly referred to as the menu. Go ahead and click that. A list of options will pop up. From this list, you'll want to select Settings. This is where we'll tweak some key features to bolster your privacy and involve your overall user experience. Once in the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. This is your control center for all things related to keeping your information secure and your activities private. First up, let's focus on your phone number. You'll see the option labeled Phone Number. Make sure you've set this option to Nobody. This ensures that strangers cannot see your phone number, giving you an extra layer of protection. Another key setting under privacy is Who can find me by my number? It's crucial to adjust this to My Contacts, or if you prefer more privacy, Nobody. This prevents people who aren't saved in your contacts from locating you via your phone number. When it comes to last seen and online, you have similar options. You can decide between Nobody or My Contacts. Choosing Nobody can make your online activity invisible even to people you know, while My Contacts restricts this information only to those you've saved in your address book. Let's move to the profile photo setting. Here, selecting My Contacts restricts your profile picture to only those you've allowed in your contacts, protecting your image from potential misuse by strangers. Next is an often overlooked but crucial setting: forwarded messages. Ensure you disable the option titled Link to My Account. With this disabled, your account cannot be traced back when your messages are forwarded, ensuring your privacy. For groups and channels, it's advisable to allow only My Contacts. This setting stops unknown users from adding you to random groups or channels. Now, regarding calls, similar to some of the previous settings, you'll want to choose either My Contacts or Nobody. This prevents unwelcome calls from strangers. A significant feature you should enable is two-step verification. Adding a password on top of the two-factor authentication provides greatly enhanced security for your account. Finally, consider setting up a local passcode for added security. Back in the Privacy and Security menu, you'll find the option for local passcode settings. Turning this on will require a password every time you want to open Telegram on your desktop, providing yet another layer of security. There you have it. With these steps, your Telegram account will be much safer and your personal information better protected. Make sure to revisit these settings every so often to ensure that everything remains up to your security standards. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.